Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, turn the garment inside out and test rubbing alcohol on an inconspicuous hem to check color fastness. Once safe, place a paper towel under the stain and gently blot the top surface to lift fresh ink. Do not rub, because friction pushes dye deeper. Next, dip a cotton swab in alcohol and apply from the fabric underside so ink migrates into the towel. This prevents spreading. Make sure to replace the towel as it absorbs color, and keep working outward from the stain. Once the initial transfer slows, fully saturate the stained area with more rubbing alcohol and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so the solvent dissolves ink pigments. Then, using fresh paper towels, blot repeatedly. Apply firm pressure in short bursts. If dye remains, add a drop of dish soap and gently agitate with a soft brush to dislodge pigment from fibers. Rinse the area under cool running water to flush loosened ink. Avoid heat, because warm or hot water can set oil-based components. You're almost done. After rinsing, launder the garment according to its care label using a liquid detergent, and if needed, add oxygen bleach for colors or hydrogen peroxide for whites to break remaining dye. Always air dry and inspect the fabric. Do not tumble dry until the stain is fully removed, because heat locks it in. If the mark persists, consider a professional solvent or dry cleaner. Importantly, remember why speed matters. The longer ink sits, the more it bonds with fibers, making removal harder.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.